Oh, jeez.
The second time this car has seen sun in 30 years. It hasn't been registered since the late 1900s. I love saying that. Oh, with it up on the jack, let's see underneath. Oh, that's not bad. You can see here, pass me the camera. You can see that somebody jacked up the car by the floor. That's what that is. Oh, this is cool. But I have two with Hondas. One that he's got right now with a really big built 1275, and I track that. So I kind of want this one to be like a little go around town, like be that like classic mini. Yeah, exactly. So, you know, I'm thinking like a nice either British racing green or like a dark green.
That'd be nice.
And do some nice like do like the Cooper stripe down the side. And probably like a number on the side of it.
And why not? Yeah, the number, yeah.
I got a neighbor who has a newer something or other. The cutest color green I've ever seen in my life. It's absolutely
Greens out there, there's some greens.
That brown on that Porsche.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Kind of like the Camaro, actually.
Yeah. That's exactly what it's named.
We'll bend tie rods. We know. We'll fix them. All you mini people out there going, they're already bent. Hi.
I'm so excited. We got new toys.
Hi. Yes, I know. I'll get you. Rubbing my greasy hands all over you.
Oh, she just got a bath.
Mama just washed you.
I know.